So Deloitte, which is one of the largest consulting companies in the UK and the United States, has decided to, I guess, fall in line and get their employees to take pronouns off of their email signatures. Now, this one can be touchy. Personally, where I stand on this, I don't discriminate at all. I love all people, but I could see where this is a distraction in the workforce. I personally never try to, disrespect or not. So what's how to say this? Not greet someone as they would like to be greeted. My name is Terrence. I would like to be called Terrence. There's some other individuals that are able to, call me by another name or something of those nature, but it's okay. But when an individual, in the workforce does not want to be identified as a he or she, which has changed now, we have to be woman and male now, but don't want to be identified as he or she or her or him. They might want to be identified as them, us, or whatever it may be. Him, her, whatever that may be. That's how they might want to be identified. Well, this caused problems, in the corporate world, or it may also cause problems on a personal level where may offend that person or whatever. So I don't try to do anything to offend, but I can see where that's a problem. Deloitte has took it upon themselves to ask their employees to take the pronouns off their email signature. And I think that's kind of where other corporations and businesses are going. I just wanted to essentially report on that. How's that going off? How's that going in your work line of work or in your career? People have been sued because of doing so. You have kids that might be confused. Personally, I felt like it just caused some confusion. Like I said, I never wanted to, or I never intend on disrespecting anyone, but that's where we at. I want to report on that. Again, Terrence Bronson at Go Ahead First. Deloitte asked their employees to get rid of pronouns inside of their email signatures. You all have a blessed day.